are going to discuss about how to create a 3D chart in MS Excel. So listen carefully. Types of chart, right? What are the types are there? Line chart, bubble chart, bar chart, donut chart, pie chart, XY, scatter chart, then area chart, data chart, then stock chart, surface chart,
3D stacked column chart,
okay? So these are the chart, right? Line chart, bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, area chart, XY scatter chart, bubble chart, stock chart, and 3D surface chart, radar chart. So these you people know, right? How to include this chart in your Excel, how to define this chart, how it will be in the diagrammatic form, how those will represent. Such things we discussed in last class. In this class, we are going to discuss about how to draw a 3D chart in MS Excel. How to draw a 3D chart in MS Excel. With today's date and day, you write on the learning objective. With today's date and day, you write on the learning objective. To describe the steps, to insert the 3D chart. To describe the steps to insert the 3D chart in MS Excel. Write the learning objective. Insert the chart alone, you write. Insert the chart in MS Excel. Completed, my everyone? Okay. So in this class, we are going to discuss about how we are inserting a chart in the MS Excel. You people know very well because we learned the types of chart. I practically explained everything, how you should insert a chart in MS Excel. These things I explained. Now, step-wise you are going to learn. Okay, ma? Step-wise you are going to learn. Can you see the screen? Yes, it's visible, right? So, we first need to enter the data in worksheet. What is the first step? We have to enter the data in worksheet. Then only we can insert a chart. See, in this workbook, I didn't enter any data. Now, is it possible to enter a chart? No. So, if you try to insert a chart, nothing will be there. It is a blank space. So, before that, what you have to do? You have to enter the data in the worksheet. So, now I am entering the data. For example, your class details I am entering. Name. Okay, so the data I entered. You said the screen is visible. You can just zoom it. Okay, then you can see the content. What I entered. Okay, ma. So I enter the value data in the workbook. This is the first step. First, what you have to do? You have to enter the data in the workbook. Shall we go through the second step?
Yes.
After entering the data, click the insert tab. What do you have to do? Click the insert tab. In the chart group, you all know this is the chart group, right? Enter the chart group. After that, insert column chart. So I am inserting a column chart. Whether the screen is visible? Yes. Insert a column chart. The value, a chart is displayed here. Can you notice it? Yes. So what is the first step? First, you have to enter the data in the workbook. What is the second step? From insert option, in the chart group, this is the chart group, right? In this chart group, you have to insert column chart. Column chart. These two steps, is it clear? Okay, ma? First, you have to enter the data. Then you have to enter the chart. Okay, children? From where you will insert a chart? From inserter. After that, so you see here, so many options are here. Okay, so in this chart, you can select any one. If you want this one you can select. So many groups, so many group of charts are available. If you need 2D column means you can, from that you can select 3D column, in the sense from 3D column, or else from cylinder or cone, whatever you need, based on your dependence, you can select the chart. Okay, ma? This is your wish. How you want to represent your data in a graphical manner, such a way you can select. From this cluster, you can select anyone. Okay, children? Is it clear? Now your column is
Yes, ma'am.
displayed here. Now your chart is displayed here. Sometimes you want to resize the chart. Sometimes you can resize it. See? You can resize it. Can you see? Just click the chart, and when you are moving at the corner, you can see the double side arrow. Can you notice it? You can see the double side arrow. From that you can resize. If you want to enlarge means you can enlarge it. If you want to make it as a, view it as small means you can view it as a small object. Okay, children? So this is the way to resize the chart. Okay, ma. You can align the chart too. So you can select. So you can select home. If you want to place it in the center means you can move to center. Wherever you need, you can place it. Okay, children. For moving the chart, you can see 4 side arrow symbol. You can zoom the monitor. You can zoom your screen, that cursor. Did you see 4 side arrows?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. From that you click that and you can move wherever you need. Okay, ma? Is it clear? Okay. This is the way how you have to insert a chart. So what is the first step? What is the first step? First, you want to enter the data in the workbook. The second step, from insert option, you have to select the chart from the chart group. This is the insert option and this is the chart group. From the chart group, you can see, this one is the chart group. Okay. Now I circled it. This one is the chart group. Okay, ma? From that, whatever the types you need, you can select. You learned so many types, right? Based on that, you can select. Okay, now the screen, whether is it visible, children? Okay. So this is the way how you are inserting a chart in the Excel sheet. Okay, ma'am? Do you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
any doubt? So
No
see,
doubt, ma'am. No, ma'am.
if you do not know to insert a chart in a stepwise, you're not at all aware means you just click the type itself. Automatically it will display. Okay, that without clicking the down arrow, the button alone, if you are clicking means automatically the particular type of chart will be displayed there. Okay, ma'am? Okay. This is all about the insertion of chart. Okay. Shall we move to the next topic? Okay, ma'am. So the next topic is formatting the chart. What is the next topic? Formatting.
Formatting.
You all know once you inserted a chart in MS Excel, whatever the way you have to represent it, those you can select from the format list. Okay, ma'am. So here some chart tools are there. Here some chart tools. When you are going to design option, which option? Design option. Okay. So to insert a table, you want to select the insert option. If you want to change the design of your chart, then you want to move to design option. I encircle it. You can see that, the tab. Okay, ma'am? So from that, see, I want to represent it. So many forms are there. I want to represent it in this way means, see, this is formation. Formatting the table chart. So I want to represent it in this way means you can select. This is the chart style. We call this as a chart style. Okay, ma'am? So this is all about a design table. Okay, children. Layout also you can change. From the chart layout, you can change whatever the layout you need in such a way. See, now the tabular column also display. That is from chart table. Okay, chart table. Chart layout. The table will be displayed. So you see the first line. This is all the names of a student. What I entered. So the first, this one M1 mark and this one M2 mark. Okay, mark. How you should insert a table inside the chart? From the layout option. From the layout option. See, this is the layout. From that, you can insert the table will be displayed. Okay, children. This is the way how we are representing the table. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Formatting
No,
a
ma'am.
table, formatting a chart we learn, insert a chart we learn. In these two topics, whether you people have any doubt? No. Thank you, ma. Thank you.